The Truth Encounter Center CCI Dandora, under the stewardship of Reverend Kephas Karanja and Pastor Lucy Karanja, in conjunction with Daughters of the Kingdom, cordially invites you for a powerful ladies seminar themed A Kingdom Woman.
Praise the Lord. This is for every daughter of the kingdom. We are inviting you to a very powerful meeting tagged the Kingdom Woman Seminar.
This will be held on the 19th of November 2022 at the Christian Church International CCI Sanctuary Dandora from 10 a.m. all the way to 4 p.m.
Ladies, I am really excited to welcome you to the Ladies Conference this year, which will be held on Saturday, the 19th of November.
Powerful, anointed women, servants of God, loaded with wisdom and knowledge, will be in the house.
We have anointed women that are coming to minister, like Dr. Emily from Nakuru. We have Reverend Damaris Kironzo from Makueni, and we have a singer, Rosemary Njagi. They are coming just to bless us and color this event.
Remember, this power-packed Kingdom Women's Seminar is wholeheartedly and unconditionally open to all ladies.
I welcome you all. Invite a friend to invite a friend. Come ready to learn, to pray, to be edified, and to be imparted.
You can't afford to miss this. And remember all about a kingdom woman. God is within her. She will never fail. God will help her at break of day. God bless you, kingdom women, as you purpose to attend. Kingdom women, take it up.
I'm a kingdom woman and I will be there. I'm a kingdom woman and I'll be there.
It will be a kingdom woman moment, for God is within her. She will not fall.